morning everyone. My name is Dr. K. Krishna. I completed my B.Tech Mechanical in Dr. Power Engineering College, Bhadrachalam, 2007, and M.Tech I completed in JNT University, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad, 2012. And PhD completed in JNT University, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad, 2020. Total teaching experience of myself is for 5 years. 3 years before PhD, 2 years after PhD. So this is my self-introduction. Today my topic on general heat conduction equation in Cartesian coordinate system. General heat conduction equation in Cartesian coordinate system. So consider a infinite CML elemental volume of rectangular parallelepiped, sides of dx, dy, dz, axis of x, y, z is given in a figure. This is infinite CML volume of sides dx, dy, dz. This is the figure. So this one, this is elemental distances of. This is the y axis, this is the x axis, and this is the z axis. So elemental distances of dx, and this is dy. So this is dz. So face A, B, C, D. The face ABCD is sometimes called as left hand side, or face E, F, G, H is right hand side face. So heat flowing in this side is generally considered as the Q. X is the x direction. Leaving the volume of this one is Q x plus dx is the leaving the next direction. In the y direction, heat entering this one is Q y, and leaving this is Q y plus dy. So the z direction is Q, heat entering this one is Q z, and leaving this one is Q z plus dz. The three directions. So next is, so temperature of the face ABCD is T. Temperature is at face ABCD on T. dt by dx is change of temperature in x direction. Dou t by dou x into dx is temperature change at a through distance dx. So t plus dou t by dou x into dx is temperature of the face EF GH. So similarly, same way the three axes having three directions. So kx, ky, and kz are thermal conductivities of element. So according to the energy balance equation, energy balance equation, energy balance, net heat accumulated due to conduction in all directional coordinates plus, this is A, plus heat, internal heat generation plus, which is equals to equals to energy stored. This is B, and energy stored in the element, energy stored is C. So according to this energy balance equation, so Q is the heat flow rate, Q dash is the total heat flow flux flow rate direction so time interval direction. So according to first equation 1, this is equation 1. From equation 1, A is net heat accumulated due to conduction in all directions that is all directions. So heat entering into the elemental volume, element A, B, C, D, which a time interval of d tau, so which is considered as heat influx. So heat influx is Q dash x, which is minus K into dy dz into dou t by dou x into d with the time interval of this one. This is the heat influx. Same way, what amount of heat is losing this going to surface outside of the leaving the EFGH phase is heat efflux with the time interval delta t, heat efflux. This is Q dash x plus dx, which is Q dash x plus dou by dou x into Q dash x into dx. So we need accumulation in the heat, accumulation of heat in x direction. So that is, so d q dash x equals to q dash x minus q dash x plus dx. So this is the x direction only. Out right, d is apart from this one, q x dash minus q dash x plus dou by dou x into q dash x into dx. So from this equation, q x dash minus q x dash minus dou by dou x into q dash x dx is, so this minus and this plus can be cancelled, remaining we have minus dou by dou x into q dash x dx. So qx is the value is the q dash x equals to, whether the total is that one, so q dash x is the minus k into dou dy dz into dou dy by dou x into d term. So I am substituting this value in this equation. So from here I am substituting this one is minus dou by dou x into minus k dy dz into dou t by dou x into d term into dx. So I am writing this equation, minus minus will be cancelled, plus dou by dou x into k dou t by, this is the kx dou t by dou x into, so dx dy dz into d term. So this is equation 1. This is equation 1. Equation 1.